Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best fire blankets that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Tonyko Fiberglass Fire Blanket with various sizes. The Tonyko Fiberglass Fire Blanket is used to resist and quench fire from spreading. It can be used to extinguish both grease and liquid fire that is found in gas stations, restaurants, house, car, warehouse, offices, etc. Using this blanket is very easy and you do not require any training. The material that is used to make this tool is fiberglass cloth. The tool can isolate temperatures up to 580, you can use it to wrap your body to shield you from heat. It also meets N-1869 to 1997 specifications, hence it is ideal for your safety. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Headz H-FIR BLN 100 Red Fire Blanket. Add more safety to your house during holidays with this fire blanket. Whenever you get out of control while you are cooking, this Headz fire blanket will help you to extinguish small fires. You do not require any training in order to use this tool. You are only required to pull down the tabs and place the blanket over the fire, and it will easily smother the fire frames. It will easily suffocate fire and thus make sure that you are safe. This blanket can extinguish both grease and liquid fire. It is ideal for survival situations. At number 3, we have the Emergency Survival Fiberglass Fire Blanket. You can use this fire blanket in camping, car, grill and any fireplace. It is going to protect you from grease and liquid fires by extinguishing it. Different from another kind of fire blanket, the Emergency Survival Fire Blanket is not going to leave any mess after a fire. You can use it to wrap it in your body, hence acting as heat and frames shield. This fire blanket has been tested, verified and meets ASTM F 1989-05 specifications, hence you can use it without any fear. Get one today and it will help you one day during the fire emergency. At number 2, we have the Inf-way Fire Blanket Safety Cover. The Inf-way Fire Blanket is a very important tool to survive accidental fires outside or inside the kitchen. It is made with high-quality materials that are fire retardant. The blanket is in good condition and it will protect you and your family from any accidental fire. Using this blanket is very easy, cleaning this tool is likewise easy. The tool is created with materials that are non-toxic. The tool can be utilized to wrap up the body in order to shield you from frames and heat. Use this blanket and it will not disappoint you from the time of emergency. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wild Survival Co. Fiberglass Fire Blanket. You should always be prepared for any small fire with this Wild Survival Co. fire blanket. You can use it in areas like camping, on the grill, and other places that there is fire. It is made with fiberglass materials that are strong and soft, and it will control and smooth out the fire. Made with two 12-inch handles that will assist you to control the fire blanket with safety and more effectively. You can use it to cover your body and head in order to shield from frames and heat. It is ideal to put out common fire situations. The item will protect you from timber, grease and liquid fires. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.